Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add in fade in Palmpay. So if you want to add fade in transmission, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is launch your Adobe Premiere Pro and open your project. Just open that. In the timeline, click on the clip you want to add a fade in effect to, and after that, over the beginning of the clip until you see the red line icon, right click and select the apply default transition. After that, drag the red line to adjust the duration of the fade effect. You can also double click on the transition to set a specific duration for the video. After that, play back your timeline to preview the fade in effect and make any adjustment. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.